Ever had your quick share fail because your devices could not connect directly? Good news, you can now let quick share automatically switch to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data, so your file sharing continues smoothly even when a direct connection is not possible. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon, tap Connected Devices, tap Quick Share, and then enable Allow Sharing over Internet. Now, whenever a direct quick share connection is not available, your phone will automatically share files using Wi-Fi or mobile data instead. No need to restart the transfer. With these settings turned on, quick share becomes more reliable than ever. It's perfect for when your devices are not nearby or have weak direct connection. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.